cross-examination, he testified he had no personal knowledge of the contents of the documents he relied upon and did not know whether the figures were accurate. That could be important. However, he stated the documents were certified and kept in regular course of business. This right here is something that you'll hear from a whole lot of so-called witnesses or expert witnesses or what have you. They love to kind of stick that stuff in there. Why? I don't know. It's in there for whatever the reason is. So there you go. Let's see how they held. So that's important. So, there's rules and then there's exceptions to rules and then there's exceptions to the exceptions to the rules. It's inadmissible unless it falls within one of the recognized exceptions to the hearsay rule, and the party attempting to introduce a hearsay statement has the burden of showing that the statement falls within one of the exceptions. As a recognized exception to the hearsay rule, this court has adopted a modern shop book rule allowing, in given cases, the admission into evidence of verified regular entries without requiring proof from the original observers of the record keepers. So there you go. That's their standard there. Now, I know that may sound like it sucks, but that's their standard. And that's the reason for it. The truthworthiness or reliability of records is guaranteed by the regularity of their preparations and the fact that the records are relied upon in the transaction of business by the person or entities for which they are kept, and they are kept in the ordinary course of business made contemporaneously with the event by persons having a duty to keep the record. So even if it's improper, if they do it as the way that they take care of business, and I ain't got to tell you, Kyle, you've been in the military, and although I don't have anything disparaging about the military as far as to say necessarily, but we do know when you go from one unit to the next unit, sometimes you find out record keeping wasn't very good.